Are you wondering what windshield repair resin you should use and why you should use it? Well, Delta Kit's professional grade windshield repair resins provide unparalleled performance. Every proprietary formulation undergoes exhaustive laboratory and field testing to ensure Delta Kit's resins exceed industry standards. The MagnaBond injection resin has been an industry favorite for well over a decade and is known as a do-it-all resin. It has a viscosity of 18 CPS, so it will perform extremely well in all weather conditions on all types of windshield damage. The PROBOND 5040 injection resin has a viscosity of 43 CPS and is preferred by technicians who like an injection resin that is more viscous for hot weather repairs, but still flows well in temperatures that dip down to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. The PROBOND 5060 injection resin has a viscosity of 55 CPS and is popular with technicians working in extremely hot weather conditions where flowering can be a major problem. The PROBOND 5010 has a viscosity of 11 CPS, is nearly water thin, and it will flow into the tightest of breaks but strong enough to hold up under the most punishing conditions. The acid-free PROBOND has a viscosity of 11 CPS and is preferred by technicians with sensitive skin, and it easily flows into any type of damage. The Premium Bond 20 is the preferred choice for technicians worldwide. It has a viscosity of 20 CPS and is Delta Kit's best injection resin. It works wonders in all weather conditions on all types of damage. Here's what others have to say about it. As always, if you have any questions or concerns or just want more information, don't hesitate to contact us.